Hey everybody, today we are going to talk about the weather. Weather. Snow, snow, snow. Sunny, sunny. This is a sun. Cloudy. This is a cloud. Rainy, rainy. Cloud, rain. The rain is coming down, coming down. Today is Thursday. Outside, outside, it is cold, cold, cold. It is not hot, not hot. No, it is cold, cold. But it is sunny. The sun was out. There were no clouds. Well, a little bit, but sunny. Yesterday was Wednesday. It was cold, cold. Not hot, not hot. On Wednesday, yesterday, it was rainy. It was rainy. A lot of rain, rain. Tomorrow, it will be sunny. But still cold, cold. Right now, it is the winter. Winter. In the winter, it is cold, cold. There is sometimes snow, snow. Sometimes sunny. Sometimes it is sunny. Sometimes cloudy. And sometimes rainy. For me, cold and rainy is the worst. I don't like it. Don't like it. That is the weather. That's all for today. Thank you.